Itong pagkakataon na to para po magpasalamat. Of course, maraming salamat, Lord. Dahil lagi ka nakagabay sa akin. Sa rami ng pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, nandiyan ka. Ikaw ang naging sentro ko. At napakatotoo mo. Kaya maraming salamat. And of course, maraming salamat po sa RTC Taguig Branch 153, kay Judge Ben at sa lahat po ng staff ng court sa ibinigay niyo pong justice sa akin.
Cedric Lee, Denise Cornejo, and 2 others were convicted by the Taguig City Regional Trial Court of serious illegal detention for ransom. It can be recalled that this case was filed by Vong Navarro. Pay attention, stay informed, and follow us on Google News. According to ABS-CBN, the court sentenced them to reclusion perpetual. In a recent episode of It's Showtime, Vong took a moment to express his gratitude to everyone who supported him throughout his legal battle.